This week, we're taking a look behind the scenes at the World Championship of Magic.
Hey, all that and more on Talking Shop.
Alright, so this year FISM created a brand new category in online Magic, and they opened up casting calls so every magician in the world could submit a video for the competition. Well, submissions are now closed, and although we won't know for a few months who officially won the competition, Chris and I each picked some of our favorite videos, and we're not judges.
Bangers.
Some really good ones.
Exactly. We're not affiliated with FISM in the slightest, but we love these videos, and we think these videos need some time to light, so we want to show you our picks.
And we gave them each some awards that don't mean anything, but let's take a look at what we picked.
Cool.
So my first video, let's take a look at that one now. I really like this one, and we'll kind of talk about it at the end here. But it really takes some oh, you'll see.
All right, it's painting leaves. This is a Bob Ross type video.
It is the most.
Oh, it's a leaf. That's wonderful. Okay.
This is really cool. Now, what I really like about this one is the painting is the motivation for the magic, and as you'll see here, it really uses some concepts from popular illusions, the way it plays with perception. And I think the fact it's on video just makes it easier to play with perception and frame certain things, but I'm getting ahead of myself. You might be able to see what's about to happen here, though.
Mm-hmm. It's painting a little house?
Nah, not quite.
Oh, he's painting a little car. Okay. Little red Corvette. All right, I like it.
So yeah, that's so cool.
Whoa. And then a car out of nowhere. I like these types of illusion videos, you know? Usually they're done on a football field or something, but this is a very nice and serene little area. It's a very calming video, actually.
Yeah, I want to be here.
Yeah.
Here, wait, watch this. This was by far my favorite part. It's the best part of the video.
Yeah, this is the one that fooled me. This is the one that fooled me hard.
Well, this part coming up here is what fooled me.
Cottage and
because I don't know if you caught it, but that's the guy that was painting.
That's so good.
That is the guy that was painting. So yeah, this one for me was the video I thought took advantage of the video aspect of the competition the most, because like I said, it used the illusion principles, but because it's on video, we were able to frame and kind of cover certain parts a lot better. So this was my favorite that took advantage of the video aspect.
Yeah, I can tell why. I think that it used the medium properly and did a fun illusion thing. Yeah.
Well, awesome. What was your first video?
My first video is for my pick for the sexiest Canadian. Have you seen Alex Bohr's video?
Only a little bit of it. He did one. I didn't see the video though.
That's my bro. That's my homie, and we're gonna. Okay. And I honestly think that this shows the most character out of all of them. So let's take a look at the video now. If you look, it's a bunch of different changing backgrounds. You have no idea where the video is going. It's very explosive. I wonder what kind of hairspray he's using. It's probably going to help with the magic. He's brushing his teeth, drinking a meal, getting drunk. Look at him.
Not to go back too far, I would like to think he actually sleeps with his Vanishing magazine feature under his pillow.
He's definitely the type. He's definitely the type. I would be the type, to be honest with you. So. Yeah, so he's doing some really amazing sleight of hand mixed with cool gimmicks, and yeah, he's just really showing every piece of himself here. Look at this part. This is probably my favorite part right here.
Oh, whoa.
Yep, right there. Yeah, I got you, right? Yeah, got
that
me.
one really got me.
That one really got me too. Then he's doing some cool sleight of hand, so it's just like an explosion of magic, one after another. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good.
So was sexiest Canadian actually your superlative, or do you have a?
Well, he's just best in personality, I would say, but he is a sexy Canadian. That's why. Wild enough, my Instagram handle. Yeah, then he does that, and then finally a little shout out to the judges.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's 11. Good for him. Jackie saying "Oh my." It's pretty good.
I do like that.
And he made a shirt too, so that's a lot of effort, man. He probably put so much effort into this, and I gotta help. I can't help but to say this is great. This is my jam.
Okay, that was a good one for sure. All right, my next one is a little bit different because I really just kind of like this one. It was super funny to me. Let's go ahead and play that now. The magic in this one isn't the most fooling, but this has a lot of character, and I really wish I thought of this first because I would love to do this in my show. It's just the type of offbeat magic I really like, but you'll see.
Yeah, this is fun. He looks like a popular podcaster.
See this? I figured you'd like this too. This is so
good. It's crazy, man.
This is one that I like sent to my Magic buddies immediately when I saw it because I don't know. I mean,
yeah, I love.
Yeah.
This is up my wheelhouse. I love like mixing like body stuff with physical aspects of Magic. And that part, oh, that's the best part.
So cool.
Yeah, he's like, whoops, I missed it.
My superlative for this one, honestly, was just my favorite overall video because this is the one that I watched, and I really, I know I said this, I really wish I thought of this first because, I don't know, it's just offbeat and weird.
Yeah, it's fun. Like it's definitely fun. It's one of those things, right? Like, and also it's filmed in a live crowd.
Yeah, if you listen to it with audio on like the FISM page, you can hear the audience going crazy for it. It's just funny.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. Well, my next pick is would be from a gentleman named Luca Bono. Okay. Luca Bono, kind of like the artist, but Luca does something amazing and crazy, just absolutely crazy with this video. So let's take a look now. Luca does this funny thing where he mixes editing and sleight of hand in like a wild way, man. So if you look at the video, he will pantomime, and I don't want to spoil it. Yeah, he's pantomiming loading, which I think is so clever, and is a really good use of editing. Where usually in Magic we kind of frowned on editing, right? But in this case, it works out. So yeah, take a look. Yep.
I don't think I've seen this one actually.
Not bad, right? Really could sleight of hand, dude. Like, look at it, man.
That is cool.
And yeah, he just mixes all the things and to like collectively make this like very, very good routine. And I don't know. This is like the quintessential like technology trick, I feel like.
Well, yeah, because all the magic he's doing is actual magic. It's just editing. Again, like with a painting, the editing assists the magic.
Yes, it only assists it. So I really love this one, and this is my favorite part. Yeah, I just love when iconography from like technology like comes into physical. Like that's my thing, dog. Oh, so good. And then for the final kicker. That fooled
me a little bit.
Yeah, right. It fooled me definitely for sure. And then Luca Bono, I am now a fan. He's got good content, so show him some love, man. This uses the camera the best in my opinion. So
yeah, I mean I can see how you got that one.
It's a good time.
That one was really good.
So that's Luca Bono. Show him some love. That's my pick for the best use of the camera.
All right.
Yeah.
My next one is a little bit weird. Let me just play it, and I'll tell you the superlative first. I gave this one the video with the most personality.
It's a superlative.
That's all I'm going to say about it. We got some audio on this one. Let's take a look, and then we'll talk at the end.
There are only two persons who can make the lady disappear. The first is the greatest magician, Gabby Copperfield, and the other is this dude. The one you know who can make anyone disappear in just 3, 2, 1.
This guy has something that we don't know.
The lady disappeared. Of course, she's not in the back of the plate.
So
there's only one way.
We've all seen this trick before. It's a Tenyo trick, you know.
That's to remove.
Magic's not particularly it's not groundbreaking. He got this off the internet, but
this.
You can see why I give it the video with the most personality. It's just funny.
Yeah, this is fun. That's what Magic to me is fun. This is a Tenyo trick, and
the lady
I can't imagine this breaks top 20 or nothing, but like 3, 2, I do think that is well worth taking a look at.
I think if there's a personality award, he might be like eligible for that. Top 20 Magic-wise, definitely not, but I don't know. I would watch this guy's content. I may doom scroll too much and have ruined my sense of humor, but I'd watch this.
Well, yeah, dude, same. And here's my thing: is like you can tell like this is his bag. Like this is what he does. So yeah, I'm a fan.
You can get lost scrolling on his page for hours.
Yeah,
that's hilarious.
Just get lost. So let's get lost. And so my final pick of the evening is by Simon Piero with his Airplane Act. And there's some talk. This is my favorite, probably the one that I'm picking for the winner.
Really?
Yeah, exactly. It's the production value is that high. It's crazy, dog. This video makes me feel like Crash Bandicoot. This video makes me feel like Bart Simpson. This video got me geeked, twin. I'm telling you right now. Okay, let's play the video.
You think this one's gonna win?
I think it's gonna win. Yeah.
Oh, thanks. And welcome to Magic Online, where you never know what is real.
See, something that we see a lot of these videos is
you are about to witness the presentation of my
that's great. You're utilizing your background.
And
this gentleman is doing this live
everything
for
you're about to see,
which is kind of reminds us
is
of
happening
that time
in real time.
Why were people using Zoom 5 years ago?
I don't know.
And this was just the
It's a
beginning.
weird trend. Yeah. It's just an odd trend. See, Crash Bandicoot too. Yeah.
I didn't know what you meant by that.
But now you do, right? Yeah.
Fantastic!
But
Unbelievable!
yeah, man, like, this is awesome.
Well,
Crazy,
this
right?
box
Like, it's just so
can
many
even
moments in this
predict
set.
the future.
Really get me. This one is
I mean,
insane. This
not
one really
this
got me.
box, but this tiny one right here. Mariah, please think of a word with 4 letters. Don't tell me yet. Let's first have a look
This part
at
is
this
the
envelope.
best.
For the first time, please tell me.
And this is anything.
What was the
this
word
is
that you were
all
thinking
live
of?
and
Yeah.
choreographed
Hope.
perfectly.
Hope.
I honestly don't remember.
That
this
is-
part.
Did you not see this part? This
Correct.
part is the best. So if you
Well,
got the word
this
right,
technology cannot
then-
really read your
then
mind.
This just
But hey, I can.
this is what magic is supposed to be. This is how it's supposed to make me feel. That is the reason why right.
Oh wow.
That is the reason why I made this #1 for me.
Yeah.
It's just because like it's just it takes everything and everything a FISM submission is supposed to be is in this video.
Okay.
You know, I would even care to say like this should be the first video someone watches for the submissions.
It would set the bar pretty high.
It sets the bar pretty high, but it also gives you a understanding of the bar, right? The understanding of what a submission should be. So
For sure.
give Simon his flowers, man. I can't even describe to you my feelings about this video.
Yeah,
but
that's a good video.
It's a great video, yeah. But that's our FISM picks, 6 FISM picks. You can check out the rest of the FISM acts on the, I guess, on World
Yeah.
Online Magic.
Yeah, you can
Magic
check them out on
competition.
Instagram.
Yeah,
But don't
Instagram,
go
yeah.
anywhere yet. Those were our videos, but we got a whole lot more magic to talk about.
Yeah.
But while you're here, be sure to like the video if you like what we're posting so far. Subscribe to our channel, you know. We
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Hey, and how about drop a comment? Let us know what your favorite online competition submission
Yeah.
was. And let us know what your least favorite online competition submission was. Whatever you want, I just want you commented. We're obsessed with it.
Exactly, why not? All right, let's take it to our next segment, Hatch This Week. All right, last week you talked about a new Craig Petty trick that was going to come out.
I did a little deep cut
Yeah.
and showed off.
Yep.
Credit swipe.
It was
yeah.
credit swipe. So if you haven't seen it so far, please check that out on the website. This is a really cool everyday carry magic trick that if you do everyday carry magic, you'll love. It's a version of Presto Printo that uses credit cards. And now it comes with all sorts of cards that change color, they turn blurry, the numbers get all shaken up. My favorite card that it comes with is this one where you can like push your fingers into it. It just comes with a bunch of silly
That's cool.
different tricks and different things you can do with the cards. You get 12 gimmicks. Craig teaches a ton of routines as normal on his projects. But what I really like about this one is, at least for me, this was the type of product that seemed to inspire creativity to like make your own routines and come up with your own things to do with it. It's really cool. Like another one I really like is like you can take the card and like push your hand into it completely. It just comes with so many possibilities. There's really, the sky's the limit with this
Yeah,
one.
yeah, man. And if you know Craig, you know that instruction is going to be like dense.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
dense instruction.
Yeah, it's well worth it, but if you do watch this one, sit down with a bucket of popcorn, just enjoy the tutorial, because you'll be
Yeah.
there for a while.
Yep, just sit down with a bucket of credit cards.
Credit cards?
Credit cards.
Credit cards and
Real
popcorn.
and fake, you know.
But hey, that was our hatch for the week. So if you do like everyday carry magic, be sure to check out Credit Swipe by Craig Petty. And now let's take a look at a deep cut with Chris.
Woohoo, deep cuts, deep cuts. Cool. This week on Deep Cuts, we're covering a trick that I think needs more time in the light. I've shown this to many people, and no one's seen anything like it because I think it's just that good of a trick. Do you want to see it, David?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So this is the deep cut. I have a knife.
Oh boy.
Crazy enough is a penetration effect. All right. All right, take the knife. I also have a dollar. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Please don't steal this from me because you have the upper hand right now, I think.
I'm going to rob you with an X-Acto
You're going to
knife.
rob me with an
me that
X-Acto knife. Worst. Okay, you could probably cap it again. I didn't
Oh,
say
okay.
uncap it.
So while you
You're
said,
a wild man.
You said a penetration effect. I assumed we needed the...
I just need the body of the
Okay.
knife, okay? So, watch the knife.
camera.
1, 2, and it goes right through the dollar bill.
Whoa.
And I can do it one more time, just to show you it's real. So, you can see that.
So it's in there.
It's in there. You can see it from all angles,
Okay.
and it goes right through.
That's
and
cool.
that is Translucent by Tide Master. Now, Tide Master, something interesting about Tide Master. I'm pretty sure he's Ebby Tones. If you're familiar with Ebby Tones on the partner program.
Yeah.
He he goes by several different pseudonyms, and this is one of his best tricks. Like, he releases a lot of magic, and this is one of his best tricks.
He's one of our partners that releases the most magic by far.
Oh yeah, by far, and he's just a really, really eclectic creator, and this is one that like is a quick and visual and easy gimmick to make that like, isn't really even a gimmick. It's just like it's just a fun thing to make up in like a minute. You can make it up in a minute, take it with you to any gig you like, use it as a lead-in to bigger penetration effects. I really like this trick, and I think it deserves its light because again, there's so many downloads on the site that just get slept on, and this has been getting slept on, and I can't take it anymore. So give Ebby some love or some Tide Master Tide stuff. So, Tide stuff. Okay.
There we go. All right.
So yeah, that's it.
That's it? All right, well, let's take a look at our very last segment, our favorite segment where we get to hear from you all. This is Say What.
What? Huh?
What?
Okay. So I really want to know what they're trying to say. What are they saying?
Well, let's see. Yeah. This review is for Super Sucker by Sid Vicious of Magic.
Now, I've been doing Super Sucker constantly recently, and we have an update coming, I think, right?
I think so, but let's
get it. Let's see
what Sid has to say about Super Sucker first.
Sorry, I don't even know if I'm supposed to tell you all
right.
that, but yeah.
It's a 4-star review.
Yeah.
And written in all caps, by the way. It's no surprise that kids love a trick that ends with you giving them candy. In fact, they love it so much that they will give you the space, or they will not give you the space to perform the effect. I say, back off, kids. You're at the wrong angle. But they don't listen. Also, the kids always want the candy, but I'm an adult and I like eating dumb suckers too.
I'm an adult.
I'm an adult and I like eating dumb suckers
also,
too.
One thing I got to point out is this is all in all caps. So,
I said that.
So like that's you said that?
Yeah, so he means this.
He means it. He is a aggressive.
Yeah. Well, that's not even the whole review.
Sucker, yeah.
So he likes dumb suckers too.
Yeah.
The trick is for the audience, but the candy is for me. Stand your ground. Don't let these kids walk all over you.
Well, I think this gentleman has a problem wherein he doesn't realize that I think you can buy a bag of these for $12.
Yeah.
That one dum-dum that comes in your packaging, you don't have to just use that dum-dum.
Let's look.
Yeah, let's go look right now how much this costs.
Actually, I already had it pulled up. I don't know why I'm pretending, but you can get 50 dum suckers on Amazon for $12.
$12.
You know?
That's a cup of coffee.
Yeah. What's an expensive cup of coffee?
That's
but
a large cup of coffee.
So yeah, so you can get enough suckers to perform this 20 times enough 30 suckers for yourself, or however you want to distribute it.
Because you want to give the suckers away at the end.
And you want to eat some suckers.
Yeah, you're probably going to end up eating those. I know I did.
Sid Vicious of Magic, I'll send you an Amazon link after this video to the dumb suckers, and hopefully your problem will be solved.
Sid.
There we go. Now, I think that's about it for this week on Talkin' Shop. Once again, my name was David.
Hey, I'm Chris.
And please come back and see us next week where we talk shop once more.
Woo! Woo!